Today I'm going to show you how to use the Snip tool that is built into the Windows platform. There are so many times in class that you might need to show me that you have found an item or you want to clip something from a website and show it to me in part of a post or an assignment. And you know the internet changes every day, so you can't just send a link sometimes. The link information might change. So the Snip tool is a great way to just clip something off of a screen and share it. So let me show you how that works. You can see on my taskbar at the bottom, I have the Snip tool already attached to my taskbar because I use it so much. But you guys might need to find your Snip tool. To do that, click on the Start button, type Snip, and the snipping tool will likely come up. You want the desktop app, and then you just have a tiny little window that shows that what you want to do. In this case, we want a new snip. Okay, so I'm going to click the New button, and then I take my mouse and use the crosshairs to click and drag to select the item that I want to clip. Snip. So I'm just going to clip the logo from our college. Okay, now with it selected, I'm in the snipping tool window and I can write on it, I can highlight it. This works really great for notes and such. Can add your own handwriting to it. It's hard to write with a mouse, but if I had a stylus, that's what this would be awesome. When you're finished and you have your clip the way you want it, so you would just go to copy, or copy if you wanted to put it into a document. Now you could paste it into a document, or you could just save it and it will be a picture. Okay, the other thing that is new in the snipping tool is you can send it straight to the printer. Sometimes I just send a clip straight to the printer and then I can utilize that in my research or whatever. Okay, so let me give you another example that kind of fits to this social media class. So let's say I want you to go searching information about the company Twitter, and I want you to use the finance tools in Yahoo to look at the current value of Twitter stock. Okay, so let's go to Yahoo. I have Yahoo brought up here, and I'm going to click on finance. And all of a sudden the internet's going to be slow. And I'm going to search for Twitter in Yahoo Finance. And then maybe this is the information that I'd like for you to share, and by tomorrow it will change because this changes as the day goes through the stock market. Okay, so I'm going to turn on my Snip tool. I'm going to go to Start and Snip again like I did before, but I know you guys are going to want to pin this to your taskbar. New. I'm just going to grab this information. Maybe that's what I want to show. And then perhaps I would ask you to highlight the 52-week range. So you could choose the highlighter and highlight the 52-week range, and then you could at this point copy, paste, or save as a JPEG, or print. So you have several options right off the bat. For the most part, I would probably have you guys copy and throw it into a Word document. Which I'm getting here. I needed to get that on the right screen. And then maybe you would complete your assignment, write the information that I need you to write or whatever. Okay, so that's just a little bit about the Snip tool. I do want to show you how to add the Snip tool to your taskbar just in case you don't know how to do that. So I'm going to click on Start again. Now my snipping tool is in my most used area. Yours might not be, so you still might have to type snip. And you can right click and drag that tool. I'm sorry, let's see, just right click on the tool. You don't have to drag it at all. You can just right click on the tool and hit pin to start. And now you've got it on the start button, or you can, I think once it's on the start menu, you can drag it to the taskbar. So now I've got it on the start menu. Now I can click and drag and pull that down to the taskbar, and then I'll have my snipping tool on my taskbar always, which I already had it there. Okay, that is how to use the snip tool. Stay tuned for an assignment or several in your future that will use this tool.